Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, Raiders.
I'm Jay.
And I'm Max.
And these are your news and announcements for today, Wednesday, October 4th. There's less than 2 weeks left in this quarter.
On this Friday, October 6th, Seattle will be hosting our Higher Education Week, HEW, College Fair for our seniors during second period. We are excited to host this event for our seniors. They'll get the opportunity to meet 30-plus colleges representatives and explore higher education opportunities.
College Fair time is 11:06 a.m. to 12:20 p.m. in the gym. The last quarter one Saturday Enrichment will be taking place this Saturday, the 7th, from 8:30 to 12:45.
Now let's hear from Mr. G about how to register.
Good morning, Raiders. Hey, I'm talking to you today to promote our Saturday Enrichment program, and I want to promote it to both students and to teachers. The Saturday Enrichment program exists for a couple reasons. First, Channel Islands wants to provide a safe, comfortable space where students can come in on a Saturday and work and just get general help with whatever they need, whatever sort of tutoring they need. Second, teachers sometimes want to create specific classes or study groups where students can come in and really deeply dive into whatever the subject matter is. The best part is, either way, students, you're going to get extra help, and here's the best part, you can make up an absence. If you attend the 4.5 hours of Saturday school, that will erase an absence that you may have. And then teachers get to meet with students in a much more casual environment and, even get a little extra pay for it. Saturday Enrichment will take place approximately once a month. You've got the schedule up here, and it'll run from 8:30 to 12:45 on the Saturdays when it runs. Okay, so students and teachers, please consider this, these dates when making part of your educational plans. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. G.
This week at the Islands, blood drive Wednesday, 9:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the Blacktop. Upcoming events, October 12th and the 13th. Quarter one finals, minimum day. October 16th, professional development day, no school. October 17th, we start the second quarter.
Attention seniors, don't be left out of the yearbook. Yearbook deadlines are approaching, and the deadlines are going to be photographed at November 1st. If you haven't made your senior photo taken at the Monarch for photography, please call the studio at 805-843-4111 as soon as possible to set up an appointment.
Your senior quotes are due. Please scan the QR code on the screen and tell us your senior quote for the yearbook.
And now we go to Ms. Gonzales for the EAOP to talk about the Wednesday workshops.
Hi Raiders, this is Ms. Gonzales, the EAOP College Site Coordinator. I'm just coming on here today to let you know about the Wednesday workshop, the college application workshop. The CSU application is now open, so if you're continuing your UC app or now you're starting your CSU app, please come out. It is 2 to 6. You could leave at any point, so you do not have to stay till 6 p.m. But it is this Wednesday in the library. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Gonzales. Sporting news, sports on tap. Today, cross country at Lake Casitas, 4 p.m. Thursday, girls tennis home, Carpinteria, 3 p.m. Girls golf at CBC base, 2:30 p.m. Water polo at Carpinteria, 4:15 p.m. Girls volleyball at Nordorf, 6 p.m. Friday football at Pacifica, 7 p.m. Come out and support our teams.
Go Raiders! And this October schedule for Rincon Wellness Center is here.
Need to make an appointment? Use the QR code you see around campus. Need to get some important info out to the islands? Want your photo shown in the Raider Mule? Reach out to us at cipicturetoday@gmail.com. And that is all your news and announcements for today. Make it a great day, Raiders.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.